Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, it's time to do a ride along. And I haven't did a ride along in this fragrance, but this one is Ultra Male, Ultraviolet Male. And this is by Paco Rabanne. It's kind of close to Ralph Lauren's Purple Label, but it's a little bit different. We'll get into it a little bit later, a little bit more. I know it is, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the sprays. It's a little bit later today. I'm doing a bunch of sprays because I want this to project a lot. Because I just ran across this fragrance. I forgot all about it. I meant to wear this a few times during the summer, and I forgot. But I'm going to put a couple on my shirt and go behind the neck and behind the ear. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, cool. All right. So I'll talk more about the fragrance in a little bit, but right now it is 4:40, and this is 4:40 in the afternoon, not in the morning. It's in the afternoon, but I'm going to ride along with it. I'm going to stick to it, try to see how long it lasts. If it goes into midnight, then great. But if not, I'll stop it. But yeah, so it was warm today. It started off really cool. It started off like about in the 50s, and then it got up to I think 78 or 79 degrees. Right now it is, oh, it got up to 80 degrees actually today. Right now it's 76 degrees. But so yeah, do this ride along with me. Let's check it out. Let's go. Hey, all right, so I'm back in, doing a little update, and still smelling pretty good. It's a little close to the skin. Faded out probably after about a half an hour or so, but still doing good. I appreciate the scent. And right now it is 6:07. I don't know if that's coming in. Let's see, 6:07, and oh, let me see what the temperature is. Hold on. So it is right now 75 degrees and nice and sunny outside, but I'm in the car with air conditioning on. Really cold in here. So I'll give you another update in a little bit. All right, keep rolling. All right, what's going on, folks? I am checking in again. Just finished some activities and now grabbing something to eat. It is now 9:43, and the scent is pretty much gone. It's a skin scent. It's slightly there, but it's pretty much faded away. So I mean, I put it on like around 4 or 5 or something like that. So it's been about 5 hours, I guess. So I don't know. And right now, not that it matters because we've been inside, but the temperature right now is, oh, it got a lot cooler. It is 63 degrees right now. So yeah, all right, I'll wrap this up. I guess once we get back to home base.
Hey,
right.
I just want to jump in and say, even though I seemed a little underwhelmed by the fragrance, I love this fragrance, the Ultraviolet Man. There we go. I love the fragrance, but the performance of it yesterday was a little underwhelming. I remember it performing a lot better in the past, the other times I worn it. And yesterday it just seemed like it was, I think it gave me maybe about 4 to 5 hours, but before I remember it giving me like maybe about 6. So I don't know if it's starting to fade or maybe it was just because of the weather. But yeah, I just want to jump in and say that. So back to the video.
Hey, what's going on, folks? It's time to wrap this up now. Man, this fragrance surprised me. I thought it lasted longer than it did, but today it just didn't last as long as I thought it would last. The times that I wore it before, it was pretty good, but today, not so much. Or maybe I was expecting a little bit more from it than what I should have been. So let's go ahead and run through the notes of it. For Ultraviolet, it was under Paco Rabanne. Now, of course, they changed their name to just Rabanne now. For the top notes, there's mint and amber. Then in the middle notes, there's vetiver, pepper, and spicy notes. And then in the base notes, there's oat moss and vanilla, which is really weird because I get a blueberry kind of vibe from it, and I could have swore that this fragrance had blueberry in it, but I guess it doesn't. But it smells, it has a very light, buoyant kind of feel to it, and it kind of feels like a fruit of some sort, not a citrus fruit, but a different kind of fruit. And I thought it was blueberry, but I guess I was wrong. But yeah. So, and right now it is 11:52. Not that that matters because the fragrance faded out probably maybe about 2 or 3 hours ago. And well, actually, I do get a little hint of it. I get a little hint of it. It's not a lot, but it's not like someone's going to be able to smell me if they walk past. So for that, I would say it's gone. If someone can't smell you, then it's really just like lotion or just skin scent is really close. That means it's not doing its job. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, talking about the ride along with Ultraviolet Man. It was a good fragrance. I like the fragrance. I just think I remember it performing a lot better, but it did what it did. That's why we do ride alongs. Anyway, till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.